Hey there, financial warriors. Welcome back to Penny Smart Reminder. Are you ready to take your money game to the next level? If you've been following along, you've just spent some time observing your spending habits. Now, it's time to take that valuable information and set up your expense tracker. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Last time, we focused on tracking every expense without changing a thing, just observing. This step is all about organizing that data. Think of your expense tracker as your financial GPS. Without it, you might end up lost in the wilderness of overspending. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to choose your weapon of choice. Are you a pen and paper person? Grab that notebook and let's get writing. Or maybe you're more of a tech-savvy individual. In that case, Google Sheets is your best friend. It's like having a personal accountant who never takes a day off. And for those who love apps, YNAB and Mint are fantastic options. They'll help you track your spending in real time, and you can even set up alerts for when you're getting close to your budget limits. It's like having a financial buddy nudging you to stay on track. Now here's the fun part. As you start to input your expenses, you might discover some surprising habits. Like that daily coffee run that's costing you a small fortune. Trust me, I've been there. But don't worry, this isn't about shaming yourself. It's about gaining insights and making informed choices moving forward. Now let's get real for a moment. Tracking your expenses can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. The goal here is to empower yourself with knowledge about where your money is going. You might find areas where you can cut back, or maybe you'll discover that you're spending more on things that truly bring you joy. Either way, it's all about making informed decisions. Here are a few tips to make your expense tracking easier. First, be consistent. Set aside a specific time each week to update your tracker. Consistency is key. Second, categorize your expenses. Break down your spending into categories like groceries, entertainment, and bills. This will help you see where you can adjust. Third, review regularly. At the end of each month, take a look at your tracker. What patterns do you see? What can you improve on? This reflection is crucial for growth. And finally, celebrate small wins. If you manage to stick to your budget for a month, treat yourself. It doesn't have to be big, maybe a movie night or a nice dinner at home. Rewarding yourself keeps you motivated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Penny Smart Reminder for more tips on mastering your finances. And I'd love to hear from you. What method are you using to track your expenses? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, every small step you take towards managing your money better is a step in the right direction. Until next time, keep being smart with your pennies.